Listen to the Dreadhead Trader with a grain of black salt. Do your own due diligence. Be your own DD. Be your own designated driver. You cannot trust everything I say 100%. Know I have your best interests, and I always keep it 100. I appreciate everybody adding to my channel recently. I put up a post. I don't know if anybody really saw it, but I recently hit 100 subscribers a week ago. Last Friday, I'm at around 105. So shout out to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. My next milestone is 200 followers, but with that being said, this video is gonna be about those of you that are on a quick work break, like myself, that are looking to day trade. And I'm here to tell y'all that there's a better way to make money. What if you could swing trade? What's swing trading? Well, a lot of people naturally do and don't even know it. So when you swing trade, you buy something right before the bell, between 6:30, right before the bell ends. So between 6:30 and 1 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. And you hold it overnight. You can sell it tomorrow, in a week, a few weeks, a month, months, a year, or more will be a leap. And pretty much, you don't have to be on the computer all day, on your phone all day, all morning long. You don't have to get up at 4 or 5 in the morning and do pre-market stuff every day at least. Even if you do it, there's a lot less pressure on you. With swing trading, there are trade option contracts depending on how far in or out the money you're willing to play, or at the money with a particular stock price. There are price ranges. Some of them are as cheap as $1 for a lot of companies. Some are worth thousands. A lot or 100 right at the money, depending on the company, or thousands. And the point of this is know your risk reward management, of course. Know how long you want to hold a contract. You have to be familiar with implied volatility, because that can affect how much your contract can go up or down depending on how high or low your implied volatility is. Theta, time decay. The shorter a contract is, say if a contract expires today on Friday, the theta is going to be extremely high. Your time decay will get destroyed. Time decay will destroy your contract. But the longer you buy out away from the expiration date, a longer contract lasts, you should have less theta. And that is pretty much the X factor of this. You also have to know your Vega, which controls implied volatility. You have to be very patient. This is not day trading. This is something that you can do Monday through Friday. You can buy a contract any morning when you get a little window between a break at work. Before you go to work, if you don't go in around 6:30, you can go in before, after 6:30, on a lunch break, another 15-minute break you have, a bathroom break, whenever you have that time to crunching on your phone, or even just downtime at your job. You do your research on the stock, you buy your contract or amount of contracts, you pick your expiration date, make sure your theta is good, aka time decay, your implied volatility is at a good percentage, and you just look out. You look for earning dates, you look for dividend dates with stocks, which are every 3 months, every quarter, 4 times a year. That can dramatically affect any stock's price, as we know, whether it'll spike or go down depending on earnings, as well as dividends. So these are just some tips that I suggest for y'all, because day trading, a lot of us don't have enough time to do it. A lot of us work right around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. A lot of us don't have Wi-Fi at our jobs. And a lot of us don't really have downtime while we're at work to really read news or keep up with the market. So setting alerts on your phone is critical when you swing trade. Alerts for prizes, where if they hit your target, if it goes above or below, or if it hits another big resistance line or support level. That's all critical to swing trading. And the point is, you have less stress. You can buy whatever contracts you want as long as you're not over leveraging, and you can go to sleep at night. You don't have to check your contract for days, or in some cases weeks, just depending on your risk reward management. And this is something that I started doing earlier this year at around springtime when the tariffs started, and it's benefited me well. I suggest people to do this who don't believe in day trading or think that day trading has just way too much stress and it just ruins your eyes over time looking at the computer screen. So just a short video for y'all. I would consider swing trading if you work a 9 to 5. I will tell you it's life-changing once you realize that it's not as risky as you think and that you have plenty of time to really sit back and let contracts grow over time. But until next time, this your boy, Trading G's with G. I'm out.